they have some quotes from some articles that they've been in. So they've been in Forbes, HuffPost, Bon Appetit, and they have put some of the quotes from the articles in there. That is a fantastic way to repurpose some media that you've earned. Oftentimes, you know, people will get an article written about them. They may email it out to their email list, may post it on social media, may send it to a couple of family and friends, but then what else do you do with it? This is one of the ways that you can repurpose those articles, is by putting quotes from the articles on your website. That's giving you that third party credibility from the media. So I think that is a really nice touch, in a way that they are continuing to leverage publicity that they've already earned. So if you do notice here, I try to click them to see if they go to the actual articles, and they don't. But what they do is they scroll through the different quotes, and we're going to talk a little bit about linking media logos to the actual articles. But here I see what they're doing is they are linking these quotes to the actual logos, so that you know where the quotes came from.